If you're doing a walkthrough for a move-out cleaning, before you give the customer a price, make sure you keep note of these 4 things because they can make a huge difference in how long the job will actually take. Number 1 on the list, scuff marks on walls and baseboards. Check the condition of the walls and baseboards. This can be very time consuming. As I mentioned, walls and baseboards can be extremely time consuming if there's pet fur, heavy grease, a lot of heavy scuff marks. Number 2, inside and outside, and behind and underneath all appliances. There is cleaning and then there is appliance cleaning. It's a pain. It gets so greasy and dirty, and even if the customer says it's a quick wipe down, it's not. Number 3, inside and outside, cabinets and cupboards. Check for sticky residue, crumbs, anything that will take a long time to clean. Kitchen grease and pet fur is a nightmare to clean, so keep that in mind with cabinets. And also check the insides. Is it greasy? Is there heavy stains? What are you dealing with? And number 4, one of the biggest things, always check and see if there is pet fur. Pet fur will make your job way harder. Sorry to say this, but it's going to take way longer to clean. Make sure you check everywhere. Where did the pet fur go? If it's stuck in the grooves of the door, on top of the kitchen cupboards, is it stuck in a bed full of grease? This is very important because it can add a ton of time. As you can see, pet fur gets everywhere and it's a lot to clean up. Always gets into the hard to reach places, so keep that in mind. It's time consuming.